Hello, home remedy for eyes illness. You are fortunate to watch this video. Congratulations in advance. You are very fortunate because I believe when you are through with this video, if you can watch it to the end, you will thank God that you watch this kind of video. Your eyesight is one of your most valuable assets because maintaining the height of your eyes is so important. Here are the top most common issues people experience with their eyes, if any of these apply to you. Now, before we go further, let me remind you again that this video is not home video. This is medicinal video. This is something that will make you feel better. It's type of video that will make you feel at home once again. Feel like human being. Feel at peace. Why am I reminding you all this? I just want you to be patiently watch the video and put all your mind into it. If it's possible, you can find a pen, a book, and jot something down. Or you can watch this video several times for you to understand very well and make use of the video. Your eyesight is one of your most important and valuable assets because maintaining the health of your eyes is so most important. Here are the top most common issue people experience with their eyes, if any of these apply to you. Keratoconus. Normally, the cornea, the clear outer lens of the eyes, has a dome shape like a ball. Sometimes, however, the collagen which holds the cornea in place becomes weak, causing the cornea to become cone-shaped. This condition is called keratoconus. This can cause serious loss of vision if not treated early and quickly. Cataracts. Characterized by a cloudy, milky white lens in the eyes. Most cataracts are age-related and more common in people over 50, but can develop at any age. Cataract can be a result of injury, UV exposure, or protein deterioration over time. This is what causes the eyes lens to cloud if left untreated. Cataract can ultimately cause severe vision loss. Glaucoma. Glaucoma is a condition that causes damage to the eye's optic nerve and worsens over time, associated with a build-up of pressure inside the eyes. Glaucoma tends to be inherited and may not show up until later in life. The increased pressure called intraocular pressure can damage the optic nerve, which transmits image to the brain. If damage the optic nerve from highest pressure continue, glaucoma will cause permanent loss of vision. Because more people with glaucoma have no early symptom or pain from this increased pressure. Macular degeneration. This leading cause of blindness is characterized by damage to the macula, the area of the retina that perceives light. Risk factors include age, smoking, female gender, and family history. Unfortunately, there is no known cure for macular degeneration. However, Current treatment can slow the progress of the disease. Diabetic retinopathy. Diabetes retinopathy occurs as a result of prolonged high blood sugar associated with type 1 and 2 diabetes and can cause blindness if left untreated. Too much blood sugar can alter the blood vessel in the back of the eyes, preventing the retina from receiving the proper amount of nutrient it needs to maintain vision. Anyone with diabetes type 1 or 2 type 2 is at risk of developing diabetes retinopathy. However, the type of diabetes a person has, how often their blood glucose fluctuates, how well they control their sugar, and how long they have had diabetes all affect is a high risk. Presbyopia. Presbyopia is the loss of the ability to clearly see close objects or small print, part of the natural aging process of the eyes. Presbyopia is often confused with farsightedness, but two are not the same. Presbyopia occurs when the natural lines in the eyes loses flexibility, while farsightedness occurs as a result of natural shape of the eyes ball, which cause light ray to bend incorrectly once they have entered the eyes. Floaters. Common among people over 50, floaters are tiny spots or specks that float across the field of vision, formed by a deposit of protein drifting about in the vitreous. The clear jelly-like substance that fill the middle of the eyes. Floaters seem to drift in front of the eyes but do not block vision. Usually being floater sometimes can indicate a more serious eye problem such as retinal detachment, especially if they are accompanied by light flash. If you notice a sudden change in the type or number of spots or flash you see. Dry eyes. One of the functions of tear is to keep your eyes lubricated, and when they fail to provide adequate lubrication for the eyes, you are being affected by dry eye syndrome. From your body being unable to produce enough tear to production of low quality tears. There can be a host of reasons behind an inadequate lubrication for your eyes. You can experience tinging or burning sensation when you have dry eyes, which can be experienced under certain situations, such as in an air conditioned room, while traveling on an airplane, or looking at a computer screen for a long time without any break. Tearing. If your eyes produce too many tears, this may indicate that your eyes are particularly sensitive to light, wind, or temperature change. Protecting your eyes by shading them or wearing sunglasses can sometimes solve the problem. Tearing may also mean that you have a more serious problem such as an eye infection or a blocked tear duct. And now we have discussed different kind of problem that eyes have. I know with what we have seen so far and what we have been watching so far, you must have seen the one or you have the symptom. Due to that, you must have known the type of illness that has to do with your eyes. Now, please subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button, press the like button, also put a comment if there's anything you want to ask. I'm ready to answer your question at any time. I'm with you. Now, here is the remedy for the permanent solution with home remedy. The good news is that you can cure of glaucoma, cataract and blood pressure problem by eating a simple fruit. A lot of people who have the symptom of glaucoma and cataract have spent so much money on treatment without lasting solution. Some are recommended to go under surgery, to undergo surgery. I did not stop you not to undergo surgery, but please make use of this fruit and root first. I believe you use this root as I prescribe, you will never go for any surgery again. You may be wondering that the thing that you have spent a lot of money for drug and the thing you have do so many tests for, can just fruit take care of it? Yes, it's 100% possible. Root can make you see again, can make you see clearly again, can make you forget the past thing you have gone through because of your eyes. Now, raw carnarium swimming fruit. Look at this fruit very well. You see it by the right hand. I have put the picture of the fruit you will need. Go and look for this fruit. I mean this fruit, go and find it when you buy it or get it anywhere you may have get it. Wash this fruit and eat 15 or 20 of 20 pieces in the morning before May. And also eat 15 pieces or 20 carrot before retire to bed at night. Do this for 1 week every day and you will testify of the result you get. This remedy can cure both cataract, glaucoma, restore high blood pressure to normal, low blood pressure to normal, etc. Please don't overlook this prescription because you may be thinking that this is just fruit. Please just try it and see the result. Not put this in mind that this is different from the normal pear that we eat, which is common. This is smaller and not very common. Look at the fruit very well. Look at the picture on this video very well. I hope you see. It's not the kind of pear you see everywhere. I have put the name. Now, this is number 2. This is combination of fruit. Chrysanthemum, wolfsberry, also known as cookie berry, beeberry, sisal seed. I've put all the pictures and the seed and put their name on it, so it will be very easy for you to get. Now this is how to do it, this is how to use it, this is how to do it. The combination of these 4 fruits. Cook this item above and drink it 3 times daily, or you can also dry them and make them powder form and mix 2 spoons of the powder with 3 spoons of honey and lick this mixture 3 times daily. That means you lick it in the morning before your meal, before breakfast, then in the afternoon, then in the night before you rest to bed after meal. If you try this, you will know that with God everything is possible. This is another one you can also use. Why I'm giving you series to take care of your eyes is because you may be saying the root I can't find it, the fruit I can't find it, the leaf I can't find it. If you can't find the other leaf, that means you can find this. So I'm trying to make sure you get what I'm prescribing for you, and the cheapest one. I don't want you to spend excess money. I want you at least try it, because seeing is believing. Now, this bitter cola, this is very simple and it will work like magic. Just cut bitter cola into pieces and put it inside plastic that you can use as ice drop. Use this as the ice drop 6 times daily. If you can see the picture on your right hand, a sample of ice drop plastic. You can also go and look for ice drop plastic, the empty one, and after you have ferment this thing, this like maybe you find you get bitter cola today, you cut it into pieces, you put it inside a can that has cover, then you can use it the next day. When you want to use it, you can take little water from the can and put it in the ice drop plastic, or you can use anything to put in your eyes directly. If you do this within few days, just 1 week, you will know that with God everything is possible. Please subscribe to this channel, press the like button and put a comment down. And I pray that anything you may have been facing since all this while, God will heal you. You shall have testimony